ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. Hare Krishna, welcome to our today's topic, that is killing of Dhenukasura, ass demon. So this is described in Srimad Bhagavatam 10th canto 15th chapter. This is the Lord's Poganda Lila. Lord in his pastimes up to 5 years, that is Kumar Lila. Kumar Lila, Lord killed so many demons, particularly when he was 6 days old, he killed that Putana. Of course, he delivered all of them. Then Baki, Baka, and Tunavarta, and some other Vatsasura, like that, so many demons the Lord killed. This is Poganda Lila. Poganda Lila, first killing is Dhenukasura. That is done by this Balaram, Lord Balaram. Why Lord Krishna did not kill Dhenukasura? I will discuss it. Anyway, this Poganda Lila is specifically described that here the marks in the lotus feet of the Lord are more prominent. There are 19 marks in the foot of the Lord, lotus feet of the Lord, and 8 in the left foot, 11 in the right foot, and these are more prominent. In the Kumar Lila, that is also there, but it was not so prominent. So in this way, Vrindavanam Punyam Ativa Chakratu, first sloka, first verse is like that. Tatasya Poganda Vayasito Bhaje. In this way, in this Poganda age, the Lord, Tat Vrindavanam Punyam Ativa Chakratu. This Vrindavan Dham become more very beautiful because of this footprints of the Lord. And in this way, this Vrindavan Dham, Vrindavan forest is so pleasing, as we have discussed earlier. It is pleasing to all our 5 senses. In this way, the Lord Balaram, Krishna, and other cowherd friends, and they were playing. And cows are grazing by themselves. The Lord did not have to take so much care about them. And there is also a very confidential Leela that is described by Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, that while Balaram and other boys were playing, the Lord went to Radharani. There is a verse in this 15th chapter that will describe like that. That Lord also had his pastimes with Radharani and other gopis. But that is very confidential. That is not described so prominent. I mean, so openly. Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur says that. Anyway, while the Lord was playing in this way, sometimes Lord is taking rest on the lap of his friends. Sometimes Krishna is also taking rest. In this, some others are doing fanning, etc., some service. Some are doing messaging the lotus feet of the Lord. In this way, playing was going on. At that time, Siddhama Nama Gopala, Ramakesava Sakha, Subala Stoka Krishnadya, Gopa Premna Idam Abruvan. The cowherd friends, so many cowherd friends were there, and specifically Siddham, Subala, Stoka Krishna, their names were mentioned. By just uttering their names, one will be pure, one will be pavitra, one will be free from all sins. By uttering their name, so name is so important. Anyway, and they said, Hey Rama, Hey Krishna, can you smell a very nice scent is coming from the eastern side, and that is Tala forest, palm trees. So many Talavana were there, and just the palm fruits that is ripe, and it's a very sweet scent, and that is coming. So the boys, they were very much attracted to that scent, and they want to taste the fruit. But that Talavana, that was seized by a demon and his family, that is Dhenukasura. Dhenukasura. So always there is always conflict between devotees and demons, always. Demons, they don't allow the devotees to take fruits. They will enjoy everything. In this way, even they were eating human beings also. No one dared to go there. Such a dreadful situation was there by Dhenukasura. He was very powerful. We'll describe about his past life. And when the boys praised Rama and Krishna and requested them to kill the Dhenukasura, the Lord said, okay, we'll go. And the Lord went with that tall, very tall tree, palm tree, that tala tree, and Lord just shook that tree. So Lord is having so much strength. Balang balavatang chaham, Lord says. The most strengthy person, the most person with so much strength, that strength comes from the Lord. So he has to soak it with his hand, but if he can just blow air through his mouth, he can also uproot the tree. The Lord has such power. But anyway, he is doing this human pastime. He just shook the tree and all the fruits fell down. That was also ripe. Fell down. And so much sound happened. So Dhenuka, he heard the sound. He thought, who came here? How come anybody come here? Is he not afraid of me? I am so much powerful. Anyway, he came, he saw the Lord Balaram, so beautiful form, so beautiful. But he is demon, he cannot appreciate the beauty of the Lord. And he wanted to kill him. So he first came and stroked the Lord with his hind legs. But immediately he ran away, and again with more strength he came to kill Balaram. So of course he was willing to kill Bhagavad Krishna, Lord Krishna, but Balaram came in front, and Balaram took the hind legs of that demon and wheeled it around. So speed that it became dead. So much strength. At the touch of the Lord, one becomes dead. And the Lord threw it over that tree, top of the tree, palm tree. So much force that tree also uprooted. That tree uprooted. And that tree fell on another tree. That also uprooted. That fell on another tree. In this way, so many trees were uprooted. So many trees. And fruits were also lying on the ground. And in this way, the Lord Sukadeva Goswami says, because there were 60,000 sages there, including Parikshit, or excluding Parikshit, whatever it may be. And the Sukadeva Goswami says, what is this? But the Lord, my dear Parikshit, that Lord Balaram killed Dhenukasura is not such a wonderful thing, considering that he is the unlimited personality of Godhead, the controller of the entire universe. Indeed, the entire cosmos rests upon him just as a woven cloth rests upon its own horizontal and vertical threads. The Lord is spread throughout the world, throughout not only world, throughout the universe, throughout all creation. Anyway, and all the kith and kin of the arch demons, they came to fight. And Lord Balaram and Krishna immediately started killing one after another, like that. Killed all the demons were killed. In this way, of course, what is its significance and what is the past life, we'll describe it later, next time. So in this Dhenukasura, he was killed by the Lord, so that that Talavana, that is one of the 12 forests of Vrindavan. So all the devotees, they became able to come there and release the fruits, tal tree, Vrindavan Dham, so great. And those who are Brajavasis, they are also so great. And we are discussing about them, that is also greatness. And those who are hearing also, that is also their greatness. It is a very good fortune. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.